Beta, so today we have to understand autofill feature of Excel. This is the last topic of the chapter which we were doing. In the last class, we have done all formatting features of Excel. कि हम borders कैसे दे सकते हैं? How can we change the colors? How can we increase the font size? How can we do all these changes? So in today's class, we have to understand the autofill feature of Excel, and this is a very useful feature. Autofill feature is basically used, let's say, uh, okay, autofill feature means, let's say you have to print the numbers or write the numbers from 1 to 100. If you will type the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on like this, it will take a lot of time to fill the numbers till 100, right? But the easier option is you will write only first two numbers and then bring your cursor to the bottom right corner. When it will get converted into this plus sign, which is also known as autofill handle, at that time you can drag it till wherever you want it to drag. We want the numbers till 100, so we can drag it till 100 like this. So it is an easier way. Autofill feature will help you to fill the series in any way. Uh, you can make a series of numbers, or you can make a series of anything horizontally also and vertically also. Let's say now I have to write the table of 2 or maybe table of 16. First I'm going to reduce the width of the cell. Okay. Let's say here I wanted to write a table of 15 in a horizontal, vertical manner. Sorry, right, horizontal manner. So let's say I will write 15 and next number I know. You have to at least write two numbers so that computer can easily uh, judge what is the difference between these two numbers, and then accordingly it will follow that pattern. So let's next number is 30. So first two numbers only you have to write, then bring your cursor to the bottom right corner after selecting these two numbers. When it will get converted into this plus sign, at that time you can drag it. Okay? This hash sign means your cell width is not wide enough to display the content of the cell. So it means you have to increase the width of the cell. Clear? Similarly, you can print a series of any number in any manner. For example, let's say I wanted to print the uh, sequence series of numbers with a difference of 25 25 25. तो चलो ठीक है, थोड़ा easier होता है. 23 का ले लेते हैं. 23 will be the first number and second number, let's say it will be 46, right? So 23 का table है ये. Select both the numbers and then drag it till wherever you want. And this hash sign means your cell width is not wide enough to display the content of the cell. It means you have to increase the width of the cell, right? So like this, you can make a sequence of numbers also, and you can also make a sequence of or a series of we computer can Excel can also print the sequence of like Monday, Tuesday. I just need to write MON Monday, and then it will automatically identify what you are going to type, and at that time you can drag it and everything will come. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, automatically it will come. Now I can also write the full form Monday and then drag it like this. In the similar way, we can also like suppose if I wanted to write January, February, you can also write that Jan. In this case, you need not to write the first two because computer already know what is Jan. So you can simply drag it horizontally also and vertically also in whatever the way you want. Okay, until wherever you want. At the end, once the November and December will come, at the end, if you will further drag it, again it will start printing January, February. Similarly here also, after Sunday, if you will still keep on dragging it, it will again start with Monday. right? So these are the series or the sequence which computer is already aware of, but there is some types of list which computer is not aware of. For example, if you have to create a list of all the students of your class, if your class teacher has to create a list of all the students of your class, she need not to do this typing again and again. What she can do is, whatever the system she is using, she can type a list once, and next time she need not to type the list, she will just write the first two names and she can drag it. This type of list is called customized list. आपने खुद अपनी खुद की एक न्यू लिस्ट बनाई है, ऑटोफिल लिस्ट क्रिएट करी है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज कस्टमाइज्ड लिस्ट। कस्टमाइज करी है हमने लिस्ट। आप ऐसी किसी भी चीज की कस्टमाइज लिस्ट बना सकते हो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप लिस्ट बना सकते हो फ्रूट्स नेम की, एनिमल्स नेम की, प्लांट्स नेम की, एनीथिंग। यू कैन क्रिएट अ कस्टमाइज लिस्ट ऑफ एनीथिंग। So let's understand how to make this customized list now. क्योंकि Monday, Tuesday और January, February computer को पता है. But except this, if I wanted to create a list of anything else, I wanted to create a list of all the students of my class, or maybe the list of flowers, or maybe the list of fruits, then how can we customize this list? So that every time if I'll write the name of the first fruit, all the fruits will come in the same order, in the order which I have decided earlier. So how can we create this type of list? For this, we will go to the file tab. We will go to options. Under options, we will go to advanced. And here we have to find journal. We have to find the journal tab. Under the journal tab, there is an option of edit custom list. You can click on this. अब देखो ये जो लिस्ट है ना, ये ऑटोमेटिकली कंप्यूटर में होती है इन एवरी एक्सेल, इट इज देयर। मंडे संडे मंडे वाली, जनवरी फरवरी वाली। बट इसके अलावा आपको अपनी खुद की कोई लिस्ट बनानी है। लेट्स से मैं फ्रूट्स की एक लिस्ट बना रही हूँ, सो आई विल कीप ऑन राइटिंग ऑल द नेम्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स हियर। एप्पल, मैंगो, ग्रेप्स, कीवी, ऑरेंज, बनाना, papaya. That's it. Let's say I wanted to add only these names. Now, after doing all your entries, you can click on the add button. Automatically, your list will be added into this custom list. You can see it here also. And now you can press OK. Now you just have to write and OK. Now you just have to write the name of the first item of your list, of your customized list, and that is apple. Now, after writing apple, you can just simply bring your cursor to the bottom right corner and drag it. Your whole list will automatically appear. In the same way, like once you will enter the name of all the students of your class, you need not to type it again and again. Even if suppose, let's say I have done with this Excel. Now, after 2-3 months, I will open a new Excel file, but let's save the previous file first so that the effect can also see. We will be able to see the effect in the other file. Save it. Okay, next time, like after, let's say after 2 months, now I'm opening Excel and I want the same list which I have created earlier in my system. So I will just write apple here. Bring your cursor to the bottom right corner and you can simply drag it. Wait. Okay, so what you need to do is, after typing your list, after typing your customized list, you have to close all the Excel files which you have opened just now. Because if you will not close all your Excel files, you will not be able to see the effect of whatever you have just saved. ठीक है. So you need to close all the Excel files. Now in the new sheet, I have taken a new sheet, and here I am typing Apple now and drag it. So I am able to get the same list which I have typed 2 months back in some other sheet. So it doesn't matter. आपने एक बार एक क्लास की लिस्ट बना ली in the same sequence, like first roll number is Aditi, second is Aditya, third is so whatever it is, fourth is, जो भी आपने roll number wise एक list create कर ली. Next time you need not to type the names of all the students. You just need to open a new Excel file and start writing with the first name, and you can simply drag it. It will show you the rest of the students also. This type of list is called customized list, which you have created yourself according to your requirement. Now, you have to create different types of customized list. Let's see. Okay. These are the different types of customized list which you have to create. List of 5 fruits name. I think everybody can do this now. Roll number wise list of students of your class. This is the main thing, because if you will type all the names in a particular sequence once has a customized list, every time in every year you can access the same type of list. And even once after typing, you can edit it anytime also. So let's say अभी मैंने last class में एक customized list बनाई थी fruits name की, and I wanted to edit that list now. So you can go to file, you can go to options, you can go to advanced, you can go to journal. Journal में we will go to edit custom list. Here the list is coming apple mango. आप इस पे click करोगे, all the names will come. Now I want कि grapes के बाद हमारे पास आना चाहिए pineapple. So I will edit that list and I will click on add. ठीक है, तो वो edit हो जाएगी आपकी list, and now you can press OK. Similarly, next year if there are few more students in your class, you can add those students. You can edit your customized list. अभी देखो मैंने I have done some changes. So if I'll drag it now, grapes के बाद add किया था I think हमने, so pineapple is coming now. Clear? So you will be able to use the customized list after editing also, right? So I think now everybody can create roll number wise list also 5, 10, 15, 20. This is a normal sequence which will automatically come. So you need not to edit it. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, ये भी automatically आता है. Date, yes, date and time. ये कैसे आएगा? Let's say मैंने date डाली 12 and this is the 7th, 2021. Now if I drag it, what will happen? So basically what it is doing is, यहाँ पर क्या होता है कंप्यूटर में पहले डेट नहीं होती है, पहले मंथ होता है. The format which we use in computer is DD YYYY. So you have to follow this format. तो वो क्या करेगा, ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी डेट्स को चेंज करेगा. तो ये कह रहा है कि दिस इज 12th मंथ एंड 7th डेट से हमने स्टार्ट किया, तो 7th के बाद 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16 ऑल द डेट्स विल ऑटोमेटिकली कम. So you have to write in that format also. तो अभी जो हमारा मंथ चल रहा है that is 8th month and today is 19th date and this is 2021. Now if I'll drag this date, the next dates will come. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 8 जो था वो हमारा मंथ था. तो दिस इज अ फॉर्मेट विच यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर कि कंप्यूटर में हमेशा हम पहले आता है, मंथ पहले आता है, फिर डेट आती है. So we have to follow and if you have to use the dates, you have to write it in this format, MMDDYYYY. Clear? So you can print the dates also with the list, with the autofill feature of computer, with the autofill feature of Excel. And the same thing you can also do in your mobile phone also. Everything whatever I have shown you in computer, same thing you can just simply click on the list, like you can just simply type the first number and then you can drag it to make it a customized list, or you can simply drag it to make it a autofill so that it can work like a autofill feature.